So we're here at LCG 109 celebrating final walkthrough here. Cody's been working really hard on this project. Lots of cool features to show off. Quite a transformation. Essentially the whole second floor was remodeled from the stairs and railings going up. New master suite with a custom tile shower in the bathroom, updated hall bath, new flooring, doors, trim, closets. A lot of great finish work and throughout the space. So we're here with designer Milligan, lead carpenter Cody MacPherson, and Cody, why don't you take us through and show us what you've accomplished here?
One of the key features over here is this new hickory staircase with the matching hickory handrail. Before, the staircase used to have a closed stringer, so none of this detail was present before, and now the stair treads wrap around, this Scotia molding wrapping around, returning on itself, and some really, elegant black balusters with the matching shoes. This gate is a cool feature. This is also made out of hickory to match all of the new flooring, stair treads, and railings. The whole purpose was just to create a barrier for the dogs and the kids so that everyone can stay safe, and it really matches the space really well. We're in the master bedroom now. This was a quick update. We added some new lighting and eliminated some old track lighting, some can lights in the sloped ceiling, some reading lamps on both sides of the bed. We built a reach-in closet for him, and behind us there's a walk-in closet for her. And then we also brought up a new coax line to feed the TV in the corner. We're in the updated master bathroom. Main feature here is the new tile shower stall, custom built bench, glass surround. We have the diverter valve, so you can use either the slide bar hand shower or the shower head or both at once. All the shiplap was mitered around all of the corners. We have these really cool floating shelves over here in the corner, and this really cool built-in mirror with the lights cut into it as well, and a nice little makeup mirror for her.
So at one of our initial meetings, one of the things that was really important to them was to create more storage space. And part of this remodel was capturing some more floor space here in the hallway. So from where I'm standing over at an angle, there was a large triangular section that was open over the foyer through the front door. So we decided to build the floor out over that space to create a lot more storage area. And then we also added these closets down the hallway that we built some shelving in that were in the previously unused knee wall attic area. So we were able to capture all of that space, and also by bringing this out, we were able to make the walk-in closet much larger for the master.